Okay, what's up YouTube? I'm back again, and on this video I will be showing you how to do a clone effect. That's something that I never did on this channel. So now I'm back again and I want to show you how to clone yourself. Let's say you want to clone yourself. There are so many videos like showing you how to clone yourself, but I'm pretty sure this one gotta be your favorite video on how to clone yourself. So the first thing you need to understand when you want to clone yourself, just make sure like your phone, whatever, is not moving. It is solid. It is on one place. It is on one place. So for me, I use a tripod. I use a tripod for when I was shooting this one. So what I will do, I just select this part. You see, okay, let me just play it. Bam, survival. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I just stopped. Bam. Move the clock. Jamyang. Okay, let's stop it. Then you just stop it around this position. So just go to this, click here, you go to straight to the beginning. So for the second video, what you need, you can just mute this thing because I really don't need a sound, because I don't even know what those those people are saying. They speak in the language I don't even know. So for this side, we talk about 2 clips. The first one. Okay, you just played. Susana la kuta nchafunu pegeda ngiye ngaqalela abuyi umva ezo mapha ngo good and then man join manusi okay here we also have those okay, then you just click around this position and then just come around this place and just click here. Just come around this position, just click here, come around this position and you click there. What's happening? I don't know why it's taking so long to load right now. You can just add clips. Why can I add? I can't add that one. Oh, this is an entire clip. Okay, just move it around this position. Make sure like you're moving straight there. Then you zoom. I really don't know what really happened around this position. Just push it that way. Then just click here, just push it that way. Just click. exactly what I wanted to do. Click L. Zoom it out. Take this one, push it there. Take this one, push it there. Then just open this one until the beginning. So for the second one, for this one, you just mute it. We need no sound here. Just take it and put it straight to the top, because I want it to be an overlay. Just put this one there. Okay, that's the beginning of it. Okay, it should be around 1 minute. Just click L, then you delete this one. Okay, then for this one, you just move it straight like that. Okay, so what's happening right here? Okay, let's just try to play it together. Wait for it until it's downloading, then we try to play it. Just make sure there's no sound below. I would prefer like you do this on a music video, because when it comes to movies, if you want to make it like my deal family, like there's a lot of process you need to do, kind of like voice making, all this stuff. This when it starts to be complicated, you know. Okay, let me just try to play it. Okay. Okay, from this place we need to go to effects. Actually, I never tried this thing that I'm about to do. Just you can't, there's no option. Also just like this. Oh, you can't. I thought that was an option, like to chop it just like that. I wanted to chop it just like that, so just click option. Also, you can click Alt V. Let's just use like the chop button. I don't prefer like the chop button, for real. I really don't prefer like the chop button. Just take this one and come and put it around this position. Then you can take this one. I wish I could create more coordinates. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's wait for it until it's downloading. I won't do much. I'll just click pause and wait for it until it's moving fast, until it's downloading. Okay, yeah. Or I'll just make it to move fast on this area. And that's my tap. Okay, guys, I'm back again. Let me just play it and see. I hope this happened like the way I planned it. People are doing it so many different ways, but I believe this one is the easiest one. There's I just like it, guys. Although like it is on mute, I'll just try to add a song there, and that's it, guys, and that's it. I'll try to just add a song on it, and that's it. I hope, guys, like you do love it. I hope this is exactly what you wanted to know. Although like there's a part where I feel like when this guy opens the door, like this light does open, you can see like here there's nothing which is opening, but it's not that obviously you won't notice it, you won't notice it until like you pay attention on it. But this is a basic of it. This is a basic of doing like how to on how to clone yourself on Mixpad. Yeah, guys, I think that's all. I'll try like to keep doing this and try to like to see like the most complex way I can do this. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I hope this one was I hope you did like this one. Merry Christmas. Thank you.